Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel. I'm going to be creating a red and black, like red rum look. I'm going to be using the red rum shade from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm really excited to do this look. I have like a red and black outfit I'm going to be putting on after the makeup's done, and let's get into it. I'm going to be using the 8 color palette from Mehron makeup. It's water activated, so I'm going to be dipping my brush into water using the red and the black here. So I just dip in and just kind of mix it with water. This is really good. It will give you a nice crisp line. It lasts a long time. It's very pigmented. I kind of have an idea what I want to do here. I'm going to be doing like little spikes and adding the black in after. So it's raining here today. I went out to the market and I'm kind of dressing up because there's this DJ set tonight, like dress up and have a live stream DJ, like dance around my living room. I will link the DJ set below. I'm gonna have this video up before the DJ set goes live. Just kind of sketching it out here first. So I've been painting, I've been doing art, I've been staying really busy here, lots going on. What are you guys doing to stay busy wherever you are? It's gonna be red and black, my Solitary Experiments outfit. I have the shirt and the tie and a red and black skirt too. I love this makeup. I've used it for several looks, like all black, and for David Bowie, for Ziggy Stardust look. It's kind of hard to make a straight line on your nose because your nose is curved. I'm just going around the edges. I'm going to be using a wider brush to fill it in more. So I've gotten into a sense of normalcy. I've gotten into my routine, like just adjusted a bit, and things are going pretty smooth here. Just been working in my studio, working out at home when it's not raining, and when it's not raining, going to the park, going exploring, going to all the stores that are open, making the most of it, like finding the gratitude, like grateful everything that I do have, the positive things going. So if there's a makeup look that you'd like me to do, just let me know in the comments below. Be great if you would like, share, comment, subscribe. Is it all getting to you? Are you guys staying chill? Or how are you guys doing through all of this? I'm hoping things are gonna go back by April 30th. I don't know. I'm hoping. I've got some events going on in May. It would be great if they were not canceled or postponed. So I've been listening to DJ sets a lot. I was listening to one just now, like putting my bass on from Isa from Italy. Almost done with the edge here. Takes a little time. I think the lines look good. I'm going to go in with a bigger brush. This is like my concealer brush here. Just to like fill it in. Go a little faster here. We don't need to put eyebrows on today. I'm going to put mascara and eyeliner on though. Almost done here. So I'm running out of foundation and concealer. I'm gonna try to find a place to get at the Tarte because everything is closed. And like Ulta is closed. I think their online is closed too. So maybe I can find it on eBay. I don't know. We'll have to figure something out, or maybe in a month all the stuff will be open again, the online stores and everything. I think that's good. Let's dip into the black now. So I'm going to be dipping into the black now. I'm using a different brush here. Just making some lines and I'm just kind of doing it random, just kind of what I think would look good on the top of my head here. Can play, like, doesn't matter. It's the end of the world. Just do whatever the F we want. It's kind of like a slashed look, like the trash style, like my tattoo. Let's do that. That sounds like a cool idea, like the trash watercolor style. I love the trash style, like just kind of messy and disarrayed, but it has some sort of uniformity and artisticness to it. can do whatever we want. We're free. Kind of like it. Did not expect this. I was just kind of winging it here, like what would come out of my head. Like it's sometimes like that's how I paint, just kind of see where the brush takes me. Just be spontaneous here. It's like the world making sense from the chaos. You get kind of a chaotic makeup look here, but it makes sense if you look at it really close. I think that's enough lines. What do you think? Maybe a little more over here. Okay, I'm happy with how it looks. I was thinking using red for a contour instead of the black I usually use, so let's try that next. We are making a bit of a mess. It's not too bad here. I'm gonna do the eyeliner in a little while off camera. Let's go into the blush now. I'm using this red eyeshadow. It's from Stargazer. I got this looking everywhere for a red eyeshadow. I have no idea where I got it, like from the UK somewhere, some makeup site. I was planning a highlighter, but I don't think there's space for a highlighter here, like too much. I might clean that up there. Yeah, this one's better for the contour. This one I kind of messed it up a little bit, but whatever. I love it. It's me. What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna clean up the contour a bit. I'm gonna add some eyebrows because I think I have space here. I'm gonna add the eyeliner and mascara. I'll be right back. Hey, my little darklings, I'm back. I got my eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrows on. Before I put my outfit on and the lipstick, I was gonna put some blush on my neck as a contour that I usually do with black. We're gonna try it with the red because we're doing this weirdo red look today. So I clean this up too a bit. So have you guys been playing with makeup, like still doing your makeup looks, like being at home? I have a little bit. I've been like super busy and trying to find time at least once or twice a week to do a video and put my makeup on. It's really nice outside today. The rain, it's like super calming, pretty. Don't even want to go out even if the stores were open because it's rainy and kind of meh. I hate driving in the rain. Okay, a little bit subtle there. Subtle's exactly what we're going for tonight. My subtle eye makeup look. Okay, I'll be right back with my outfit and my lipstick. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got my lipstick on. I used Jeffree Star Redrum from the lipstick palette, Love Me, Love Me Not. And I got my outfit on here. Got my Solitaire Experiments shirt on and the tie. Got a red and black skirt on here. And here's my boots. Stomp, stomp. It's easier if I just hold them up than try to lift my leg up here. I just slicked my hair back. I didn't feel like doing a mohawk tonight. You probably can find many tutorials on YouTube to do a mohawk. That would be hard for me with the hairdryer and setting it up in the bathroom. So, what else? I got my rings on here. Got black and red earrings too. They have little stars on them. Got my black nose ring. So I'm all ready to stomp in my living room to DOS Machine Online Edition. Yay! So this video will be up before it starts, so check it out. I will link it down below. I hope everyone has a great weekend, staying safe, taking care, and staying healthy, and staying busy, productive, and whatever, staying happy. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and put on the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great weekend, my little darklings. Bye. Love ya.